Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a quick and easy egg hakka noodle recipe which can be prepared very easily in very little time. For this we need to break 2 eggs directly onto a greased pan. The pan should be hot. Sprinkle some black pepper and salt onto the eggs and then just scramble them up. Now once the eggs are completely scrambled and they start leaving the pan, at this point of time remove it separately onto a plate. Now the next step is take some water, around 2 liters I have taken here in a vessel, and to this we will add salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Now cook till the noodles are al dente. They shouldn't be very mushy. They should still have some structure in them. It should be half cooked. And at this point of time, we will strain all the water and then remove it onto a strainer, and I have run cold water over it, and temperature of the noodles should just come down, and then pour some oil onto the noodles and then just mix them up together so that the noodles don't stick to each other. Now in a vessel we will add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Into this goes onions. I have taken the spring onions here. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can even use freshly crushed garlic. A head of half of a cabbage finely chopped, 2 carrots, juliennes, and a half of a capsicum. Now we will stir all these vegetables at a high flame. Now into this we will add our sauces. 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, a tablespoon of green chili sauce, and a tablespoon of red chili sauce. I like the noodles a little spicy, so I have added all the kinds of chilies that are there. And then into this goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, some salt as required, and tomato ketchup. Now all these sauces mixed together with the vegetables and the noodles, they give an excellent flavor. This is a spicy kind of a egg hakka noodle. You're definitely going to enjoy the flavors that come out once it's ready. So please do give it a try. Now add the noodles onto the mixed vegetables and then just stir fry them. You just have to mix the noodles properly up with the vegetable and the spices, and there your hakka noodles are ready. The only thing that we are going to add next is the greens of the spring onions and the prepared egg scramble. Now mix this also along with the noodles and the vegetables, and your egg hakka noodle is ready. This is really a very quick and easy recipe. This can even be made for iftar. My kids love it for iftar, and I hope you also enjoy it. It's a very nice dinner recipe, a very nice tea time recipe. It's quick and easy, no hassles. Now remove it onto a serving dish. You can see that the noodles are properly cooked. They are not very mushy. If the noodles become mushy, they tend to stick to each other and then it does spoil the flavor. So the noodles should be cooked properly and then it gets mixed up with the vegetables very nicely. I hope you liked this video. Please do give it a try, and please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.